Welcome to Essential RC. I'm Al, and today we've got an Eachine E110 that our friends at Banggood have sent us to review. So I'm quite excited about this just because of the way it looks, to be honest. It appears to have been designed around or styled on the Prox Dynamics Black Hornet, which is a military grade UAV. Set you back about $200,000, I believe. Nowhere near that for this. Link will be down in the description below, and Dom puts it down there. So I'm going to unbox this. We're going to take it for a fly, and I'll tell you what I think. So on the outside of the box, it's telling us that it has one button takeoff and landing, camera. So it's got a 720p camera on the front, which streams to your phone. There is what they call optical flow localization, which is a downward facing camera, a bit like the DJI Mavics use for holding position. It'd be very interesting to see how that works on something at this price point. It's got gyros in, help with stability, runs on 2.4 gig, swappable batteries, which is obviously good. I think this comes with 2 or 3. We'll have a look when we open the box up. It's got a USB charger if you want to use that, if you don't have your own charger. So it's 4-channel, ready to fly, easy to fly, which is good because I'm frankly crap when it comes to helicopters. 15-minute flight time per battery, I'm assuming per battery. Altitude control as well. What else have we got in there? 14 plus, I think we'll just about do that. We've got a mode 2. It comes with the controller, this version. It just shows you how to swap the batteries out there. What else have we got? Flying weight 75 grams, length of 2 to 8 mil, propeller length of 230 mil, and it reckons it will be controllable up to 100 meters. So let's open it up and have a look. So, user manual. An operating guide. There are some QR codes there for downloading the relevant app so you can stream the video. Nice bit of silica gel, well vacuum packed down there. So we have the 110 there. It's nice looking little heli. We've got a spare, that's got a battery in there. There's a spare battery there. We have a USB charger. Spare set of props, always useful because I'll be bouncing it off stuff. Some tools and a rear rotor. We have a controller which needs 4 AA batteries in there, and then I think underneath we have, yep, there we go. So we've got a mount so you can put your phone on the top of the controller. So I'll get this charged up, I'll download the app, we'll take it outside, we'll see what we can do.
So again, here I am with Al down the park, because we like flying these little small things down the park. And Al, you just gave that lovely intro to the E110.
Yep.
So we're ready to go and fly it for the first time.
Yep, fantastic. Okay. Do you want to have a quick look? I've hooked it up to the Wi-Fi, Dom.
Oh, yeah.
And so we've got a 720p camera up the front here, which actually you can angle down if you want to by hand. It's just on a pivot there. But it hooks up to your phone on Wi-Fi. There's an app that there's a link to on the manual, and it streams the video straight to your phone, so you can fly it.
It is a true little spy.
It is.
I like it.
Sneaky.
But how well does it fly? That's the question. Let's give it a go. So I'm going to put it in mid mode, Dom. We've got 3 flying modes. We've got sort of low, mid and high rates. I will flick to high rates partway through the flight. I'll tell you when to do that. It's a single button push for takeoff and landing. Gotcha.
Just there, and it should use that. It's got a downward facing camera that it uses to try and hold position.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay.
We'll fire him up after I've armed it.
There we go. You just move the sticks to their extents to arm it. Press the take off button. Put it somewhere where there isn't.
Oh, it's not on level ground. Okay.
Yeah, well, sorry, there's a bit of a prop strike there.
No problem. Will I edit that out? Not.
There we go. That's doing it all on its own. I'm not on the sticks. Just a little bit flight away from it. So I'm not really touching the elevation. That's literally that's hands off. It's just literally just sitting there.
Super stable.
Absolutely. So if I have a bit of a fly, this is, say, mid-rate. Got a little bit of pace to it, which is nice.
So that rate controls the pitch and roll, I guess, and therefore your speed.
That's right. Pitch, roll, elevate, not elevation. It doesn't have any impact on how fast it climbs. So it's a nice gentle climb. If I put full stick up for climb, it's a nice controlled climb rather than scream away from you out of sight, and then that's full down. And if I flick them into expert mode, Dom, obviously that's what I am, you can see it just picks up a bit more.
Bit more
speed.
agility,
That's
bit more speed.
Yeah, that's into wind, so that's a bit slow. Yeah, it's a lot more manoeuvrable, certainly on the yaw. You can see
And you're recording on board, are you?
I can record on board.
Can you do that?
That's a very good point. I should probably hit the record button. So two buttons that are key. There's a record button and a photo, so you can just take a snapshot. The photos are fantastic. So if I hit the record button, it goes red, and that's now recording everything that it's seeing through the camera.
Glad I told you to do that.
Yeah, so am I. So it's come racing into us.
It's not that noisy either, is it?
God, no. I can see you looking over the neighbour's fences, Dom, with that.
I would not recommend that you do that and get in trouble. Violation of privacy laws and all that. Oh my god. God, it cracks on at a speed if you let it go.
And every time the wind catches it, it levels itself out. It really, very much like that P40 we just looked at.
Amazing, something so
Gyros
small.
just stay there. Hands off, and it just sits there like that, which is incredible. Yeah, it's only 72 grams, and it's...
What's the maximum estimated flight time on this? Do you remember what it says in the box?
I think it says up to 15 minutes on the box, Dom.
Now, how many batteries do you get?
This came with two.
Two batteries.
Two batteries, the controller, download the app, 4 AA batteries in the... sorry, that's not right. 4 AA batteries, and you're away.
Cracking.
So we should get some nice footage of the video of you and that. That's hands off. That's
Bonkers.
that is nuts, isn't it? That's
In 5, 10, maybe even 5 years ago, you wouldn't have dreamt of something like this. I do remember in the media when they had the military version of this, didn't they?
Yeah.
And it was like $500,000 or something.
Yeah, well, that was the Black Hornet by Prox Dynamics. So it's now $200,000, I think. But you're right. When it first came out, it was like $500,000. And this has clearly been styled on it.
Yeah.
And I'm a sucker for looks. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, just brilliant.
All right, let's bring it in for a landing, shall we?
Right. So in theory,
Is it a one-key landing?
it can do 1 key landing, or you can just
Drop the
put
throttle.
down and it will land itself. But what we'll do, we'll try the 1 key landing. Wind's just picked up a bit. Let me try and get in front of you. I'll hit the 1 key landing. That's it. Not even a prop strike.
Brilliant.
Really so impressive.
Pretty impressed by that, yeah. So Eachine E110 comes with everything you need in the box, right? Less the 4 AA's for the transmitter,
That's right.
2 flight batteries,
Yep.
your charge lead,
Yep.
and that's it, and you're good to go.
Pretty much flies itself as well. And the quality of the pictures you can get from it, absolutely fantastic. Been super impressed with that.
All right, Al, thanks as always for that little flight test. I hope you've enjoyed that, everybody. If you have, then please give us a like, a thumbs up. You might want to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams, because we'll be doing this quite a lot over summer. Thanks again, Al. Cheers.
Pleasure. So we should get some nice footage of the video of you and that. That's hands off. That's
Bonkers.
that is nuts, isn't it? That's
In 10, maybe even 5 years ago, you wouldn't have dreamt of something like
no.
this.